What's going on, YouTube? Oakland Underground back with another interesting video for you guys tonight. So right in front of me I have a Mustang 5.0 10R80. It is on a Hellion twin turbo kit. It is built motor, built trans on 93, running 10 pounds of boost. It is stock block and stock cams, and it's going to be going up against a C6 Grand Sport on a Procharged that's also on 93. Show you guys the engine of the 5.0. This car looks completely bone stock. This owner can claim he is NA and people would believe it. But here's the vet he'll be going up against tonight. Procharged 93. The first roll is going to be a 45, and then the next one's going to be a 50. We're going to see how that goes. Alrighty guys, that's gonna wrap up tonight's video. If you guys liked it, please go like and comment. If you're new, please go subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.